Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Welcome to the essetinoartists YouTube channel where we talk about money, marketing, and mindset. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how this one video got us a 5-figure client. Okay, so I'm going to break it down for you, break down the whole thing, and analyze the situation so that you guys can replicate this as well. So this was the exact video that attracted the prospect, then became our client, a 5-figure client. And here's the cool thing. This video only has 634 views, and in the YouTube land of views, it's actually not very many views at all. And in fact, when we got the connection to the prospect, which became our client, they had actually watched our video. It was actually when the video had less than 100 views. And so you might be thinking, how? Why? How can I do this too? First thing is, this is a video that my business partner did, and it's entitled, Why We Make $2,000 to $4,000 a month from YouTube ad revenue with less than 100 views per video. And it's a very short and sweet video, to the point, talking about how we make the Google ad revenue that we do with less than 100 views per video. And we're very clear, transparent, and authentic with our numbers. And we actually show it to you guys here in the dashboard. If you actually watch this video, you'll see my business partner, Arit, going into our YouTube dashboard and showing our stats. So one, we're being very transparent. That creates trust. And if you watch our videos, we're being very authentic. And in fact, a lot of the times when people watch our videos first, and then they meet us in person, like at a conference or on a Zoom call or something like that, a lot of the times they reference how we are the same in our videos and we're just like in the video. And it's like mind-boggling to people that, the way I'm speaking right now is how I'll speak to you in real life. So that's another thing. We're being authentic. Number 3, if you watch this video, we are providing value. We are telling people why this is happening for us and how you can do it as well. We are teaching something. We are helping people, providing value. Okay, so now how does that convert into a 5-figure client? You need to have some systems in place. And specifically with our YouTube channel, we have many systems in place. And this one right here for this video, this is how it went. With less than 100 views, the person was watching the video. They obviously liked what we were talking about, found it useful, found it helpful. They went down to the description of our video, and then they landed on our website. So we always have our website link in the descriptions of our YouTube videos. So this is our website here, right? And on the bottom right, there's a chat box here. So a lot of people don't have this on their website. Mainly company type style websites will have this, when you provide customer service. But you can easily put this on your own website, which we'll do a separate video on. But getting back to the system here, they landed on our website and clicked on this, opened up the chat box here, and that's my business partner, Arit. This chat box is actually connected to our phones. So we have an app on our phone that connects to this chat box so that when we get a message on the website, we get notified on our phone. So when this video released, it was like a couple hours after it released. And you see there, we got a response back from Arit because it's connected to her phone, and she got the notification and she's able to respond right away. And we got this inquiry from the person, and they had some questions. They're saying, hey, I want to start a YouTube channel. This is what I want to do, XYZ. And so Arit was chatting back and forth, and then set up a Zoom call. And then from there, solidified, we're going to provide a service for them, and then they're going to pay us X amount of dollars, thus resulting in a 5-figure ongoing client. This is going to be ongoing work from one video. First, never underestimate who is watching. You seriously never know who's watching. Make sure you have your description set up properly. A lot of people disregard this. This is where the money happens. Make sure you've got your website there. And then on your website, set up something like this where you can do an instant chat. And I kid you not, within a couple hours of releasing this video, we had secured a new ongoing client. And so if you provide products, services, you're a freelancer, it's an awesome way to attract sales and clients. And so that's the breakdown. That's how it literally happened. It's not too crazy. You know, we upload videos as usual, but you want to put those systems in place to attract people. So if you want to check out our website and the video that landed us the 5-figure client, you guys can head down to the description below. All of those links will be there for you. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. That would be greatly appreciated, and I'll see you in the next video.